Hi, Ate Mel. Hirap maging artista, ah. If not because of your younger sister, I won't be facing that camera. Alam mo naman na shy ako, di ba? Noon pa. Pero actually, it is the friendship between us that gave me the courage to be on video. I am so grateful of being able to get in touch with classmates and friends of olden days. Siguro mga 3 dekada na since we last see each other face to face, no? Ngayon nga, meron na akong 3 chikiting eh. Actually, hindi chikiting. Mga malaki na yan. Mas malaki pa sa akin. Thanks na lang sa FB. Nagkita-kita ulit tayo. And I hope it will not take another decade for us to see each other again and reminisce yung mga kakulitan natin noong unang panahon. Sarap balikan, di ba? Teka, napahaba na yata yung speech ko. Pero good enough for a new talent, di ba? Pwede na ba? Okay, eto na. Ito na yung request ni Ate Mina. And syempre, my own personal and special way of greeting you on this day, your very special day. Happy for the N's birthday, Ate Mel. Okay ba? And since your birthday fell the same day of the feast of the Immaculate Conception, let me offer you and your family a prayer. Konting kaseryosohan lang. Yung very special prayer, very short prayer that is very meaningful at magbibigay talaga sa atin ng so much blessing. O Mary conceived without sin, pray for us of our divorce today. O Mary conceived without sin, pray for Ate Mel. Pray for her husband. Pray for her kids. Pray for the rest of her family who have recourse today. Ate Mel, I love you so much. Happy birthday.